Welcome to cloudHQ's latest free Google Chrome extension, Mailto. Set default email to Gmail by cloudHQ. Have you ever clicked on a website's Contact Us email link, only to find that nothing happens when you click on it? This is USA Today's Contact Us page, and it doesn't work for us. Or what about when an email address opens an email client like iCloud Email on your Apple Mac OS device, or Microsoft Outlook on your Windows device? This is annoying and doesn't need to happen ever again. That's why we created Mailto, set default email to Gmail by cloudHQ. Now you can set Gmail as your default email application when clicking on any email address you find while surfing the internet. You can access some extra features here, where you can specify which Gmail account you'd like to use, including multiple Gmail and G Suite accounts. I can choose to open Gmail in a new tab or a new window here. And I can opt to expand the CC and BCC fields. This extension is great for large organizations that use G Suite to ensure that all employees compose emails from their work emails and not accidentally sent from their employees' private email accounts like iCloud, Outlook.com, or other Gmail email. Gmail users who only like to use Gmail, and people who are frustrated that email links on the web never work. Save time and take back your ability to quickly send an email from the web with Mailto, set default email to Gmail by cloudHQ. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.